Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best selfie sticks Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is the ATUMTEK Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod. From head to toe, this is built with lightweight yet quality materials and design. While we would have loved to see a screw tightening attachment system, the spring-based cell phone holder was easy to use and held up to our shake test without any movement or holding failure. It offers a standard slew of features, including a tripod and a shutter remote, which are simple, functional, and durable. What truly made it stand out was the quality of construction in extending or stowing the stick. When extended, the telescopic sections didn't wiggle in the slightest while performing the shake and the drop test, which was a rarity in this review. The stowed profile was similar to the profile of an electric toothbrush, easily fitting into any piece of luggage, purse, or hiking bag we used during testing. Lastly, the durability of this product was unwavering, which we found surprising given its low weight. It has an extension of about 31.3 inches, which is better than many products in this review, but some will still find this limiting in the photos they take. The tripod and the shutter remote features allow for photos taken further away, but the short extension also limits the height of one's camera when utilizing the tripod. Lastly, this option is only compatible with cell phones, limiting the device potential greatly. It's best for cell phone photographers looking for a model they can keep with them at all times while traveling. Number 2. Our second best pick is BZE 40-inch Extendable Selfie Stick. This is a compact and versatile option. It can fold into a super portable profile and also offers a screw-tighten mount, 40 inches of extension, and a tripod. With a mount adapter, it can accommodate other cameras than a cell phone, such as a GoPro, further increasing the versatility of a do-anything device. Its screw-tightening mount system securely held our devices, even during the entire duration of our shake test. As we carried this product around the mountains, we never felt that it was too bulky or heavy to bring along, regardless of the backpack used. Lastly, our drop tests revealed that it was as durable as it was versatile. It fits a lot in a relatively small package, but we found the tripod legs less inspiring on uneven ground. Additionally, there was a bit of wiggle in the telescoping extensions, though this may not be a concern for many users, with device mounting security being the priority. This is best for those wanting a model that focuses on versatility and cell phone holding security. Number 3. Our third best pick is Yoozon Bluetooth Portable Selfie Stick. This is a decent versatile option in this review lineup. It is the proverbial jack of all trades, master of none, falling into the middle of the pack in each of our testing metrics. We love the rotation of the cell phone mount with 360 degrees of movement and easy adjustments on the Y-axis. The tripod legs stow away into a comfortable handle when taking handheld selfies, and the shutter remote was easy to pair. The Yoozon passed both the shake and the drop tests, though following the theme, landed in the middle of the pack. Its spring-based mount was adequate, but there was a slight bit of cell phone movement throughout the shake test, though the cell phone never fell out. It held up well during the drop test, but we noticed a bit more wobble in the telescoping extensions afterward. While the telescoping extensions and the tripod stows nicely, the cell phone mount sticks out when folded, making it more cumbersome for travel. This is best for shoppers seeking a model that can do anything and care less about it excelling in any one category. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Vproof Bluetooth Selfie Stick. It offers an incredibly streamlined product that was both our lightest and smallest, when stowed, product in the entire review. This design is incredibly simple, with a remote shutter built into the handle, not removable, and extensions are made by simply pulling on the end of the stick. It performed well relative to its weight during the shake and drop tests, making this product a great option at its price point. We found this simplistic option to be the fastest to set up in this review, which could be crucial at a party or on vacation. It does not have a tripod. This will likely be a non-issue for many users, but other options in this review included a tripod in a package only slightly larger than the Vproof. Additionally, on the fifth occurrence of the concrete drop test, the removable battery, to power the remote shutter, fell out of the bottom of the handle, though the stick overall held together otherwise. During the shake test, the cell phone lasted most of the test's duration but failed on the final 4 shakes. We still found this impressive given the mount size. This is best for those shopping on a budget, looking for a well-built, lightweight model, where handheld use is anticipated. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is the Pout Phone Tripod Stand. This is a unique and well-built design. The focal point is its tripod legs, which are made of a flexible rubber material that allows the stick to be attached to a handrail or tree branch. While it took some getting used to, we love this tripod design given its incredibly small size relative to its functionality. Additionally, it can be used with a variety of different cameras depending on the camera's screw diameters, which was a rarity in this review. The ball joint that allows for mount mobility was our favorite angle adjuster in the entire review, with a screw tightener keeping that ball joint secure. It has absolutely no extension. In an otherwise great product, this was a huge negative that we had a tough time working around during testing. Without an extension, this device couldn't be used very effectively as a handheld model and even had its setbacks as a tripod. The bendable legs are great, but we had several instances where we wanted the tripod to be higher off the ground for a photo, and unless there's something like a tree, fence, or a light pole nearby, you're simply out of luck. This is best for those looking for a tripod-focused option for travel where luggage space is limited. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.